Hello, creative souls. I'm Mona, a fellow art enthusiast, and today we're diving into the world of felt sculpture, exploring needle felting techniques and the incredible artistic possibilities it offers. Felt sculpture, as an art form, transforms humble fibers into intricate, three-dimensional masterpieces. Its versatility opens endless opportunities for expression and creativity. Now let's talk about the materials and tools in felt sculpture. Felting needles, like these, have tiny barbs for tangling fibers. Use single needles for detail work and multi-needle tools for faster felting. When using felting needles, a foam pad or felting mat is essential. It protects your needles and supports effective fiber tangling. Now, the heart of your felting sculpting projects, felting wool and fibers. Natural and synthetic fibers offer unique textures for different effects in your sculptures. But personally, I consider these two factors: batting and roving wool. Batting is quick for larger projects, building bulk efficiently. Roving with combed strands is perfect for precise details. I also use other sculpting tools like wool scissors, wires for armatures, glue, and wax. The magic of felt sculptures lies not only in its tactile nature, but also in the endless possibilities it provides for artists to experiment and innovate. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, felting allows you to explore your creativity and turn your imagination into tangible, touchable art. And there you have it, an overview of felt sculpture as an art form. I hope this glimpse into the world of felt art has inspired you as much as it inspires me. If you're intrigued by this craft, stay tuned for more tutorials and in-depth explorations right here on this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy felting and happy creating.